It is therefore important to turn our attention to biochar, a product that is currently being researched for use in agricultural soils to improve productivity. A report released by the Australian Government Department of Agriculture, Fisheries and Forestry addresses the concepts and information regarding biochar. With the benefits of biochar including increased productivity, improved quality of soil, and increased nutrient use efficiency, biochar is potentially a positive step into the future of agricultural practices. But what exactly is biochar? Biochar is a stable, carbon-rich form of charcoal that is produced in a process called pyrolysis. This process involves the heating of biomass with little or no oxygen. Biomass is any biological product such as wood or waste materials. Due to the vast amount of biomass products that can be used, there are a number of different forms of biochar with different qualities. These chemical and physical properties of biochar are impacted by what organic materials are used and the factors of the pyrolysis process, such as temperature and time. As biochar can be produced from a number of different biomass feedstock, developing quality standards is essential in ensuring the biochar produced isn't toxic. In order to gain the maximum benefits biochar allows, it is crucial to understand the characteristics and match it to the requirements of its end use. Due to the structure of biochar, it can remain stable in soils for hundreds of years. Therefore, it can be established that biochar is created from organic materials. But what exactly are the benefits that result from adding the appropriate type of biochar to agricultural soils? Research indicates that there are a number of different benefits, including potential productivity, which result from adding biochar to Australian agricultural soil. In particular, studies show that adding biochar can have positive results in improving the physical and chemical characteristics of the soil and improve nutrient use efficiency. This includes improvements in soil acidity, structure, water holding capacity, and retaining nutrients. In addition to these amazing benefits, biochar proves to be a positive step in reducing our carbon footprint. By producing biochar through the process of pyrolysis can reduce carbon emissions. This is also known as sequestration. Researchers are focusing on the potential biochar has to mitigate climate change by storing carbon in soils in inert and stable form. Due to the structure of biochar, it is more chemically and biologically stable than the carbon in the original biomass. All of these potential benefits would positively impact Australia's agricultural community, but before biochar is made available, further research is needed to ensure that it is safe to use in our soil. A number of field trials of the application of biochar have taken place and have shown increased produce from a variety of plants when added with mineral or organic fertilizers. It can be noted from these trials that different forms of biochar have different effects when added to different fertilizers. For example, biochar produced from legume biomass increased plant growth almost 20-fold, whereas biochar made from grass and herbaceous materials increased plant growth but to a lesser extent than the legume biomass, compared with no biochar addition.